Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're first to get my videos. This will be a quick video with my oatmeal, organic oatmeal. And I'm going to go ahead and put some ultra greens and also some fiber and some of my protein that I drink in the morning, and put about 1 spoon in there, and I will mix that with my yogurt. Cut up some strawberries in there, and also add my almond milk. So this is really yummy, guys. And don't forget honey. Hey guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel, please. This is a quick one. It's just a quick little snack you can have, and it's so healthy for you. And this is the honey I put in there, and some chia seed. Yes, I let it sit overnight, and I'll mix this up first. I see put it in a nice mason jar, and then layer it and then mix it, and then they have this yummy. But this is mine. Mine's is green because of the powder greens that I put in there. Guys, this might not look appealing, but it is good. And here it is right now. I taste it. It's an awesome snack. Hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe. And this is a cool snack for kids that are picky, and it still has a little sweetness to it. Thanks.